Refrigeration HVAC exam practice questions set 13. Share knowledge, help people. And remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, "It is more blessed to give than to receive." All right. Question number 1. A cooling tower uses blank passing over water for system heat removal. A. Indoor air. B. Outside air. C. Glycol. D. Water. Correct answer is B. Outside air. The capacity of a cooling tower is determined by the amount of evaporation, which depends on the blank of the outside air entering the tower. A. Dew point temperature. B. Dry bulb temperature. C. Wet bulb temperature. D. Specific volume. Correct answer is C. Wet bulb temperature. Number 3. A typical cooling tower can cool the water returning to the condenser up to 7 Fahrenheit. Blank the wet bulb temperature of the outside air entering the tower. A. Higher than. B. Lower than. C. Equal to. Correct answer is A. Higher than. This is the number 4 is an illustration of the 7 Fahrenheit temperature difference being mentioned. So example here is if the wet bulb temperature of the outside air entering the cooling tower is 80 Fahrenheit and the temperature difference between the wet bulb temperature of the outside air and the water leaving the cooling tower is 7 Fahrenheit, what is the temperature of the water returning to the condenser? A. 73, B. 80, C. 87 Fahrenheit, or D. None of the above? Correct answer is C. 87 Fahrenheit. So the question was the temperature of the water returning to the condenser. To solve that, we just have to add 7 Fahrenheit plus the 80 Fahrenheit wet bulb temperature. So 80 plus 7 is equal to 87. That's the temperature of the water returning to the condenser. Number 5. Which of the following is a type of cooling tower? A. Natural draft. B. Forced draft. Forced draft is also called induced draft. C. Evaporative, or D. All of the above? Correct answer is D. All of the above. Number 6. Natural draft towers use a blower to move air through them. A. True. B. False? Correct answer is B. False. Natural draft cooling towers are located in the path of prevailing winds. These towers do not have a blower to move air through them, and the movement of air is by means of natural prevailing breezes or winds. Number 7. The slats on all 4 sides of a natural draft cooling tower ensures that the water is kept inside the tower and not blown away by strong winds. A. True. B, false. Correct answer is A, true. Number 8. Water from the condenser is sprayed into the blank of the cooling tower through spray heads or nozzles. A, top. B, bottom. C, side. Correct answer is A, top. Number 9. In a natural draft cooling tower, heat is removed from the water by blank. A, condensation. B, evaporation. C, glycol. Or D, refrigeration. Correct answer is B, evaporation. Number 10. To replace the water lost through evaporation, the cooling tower uses a fresh water makeup system. A, true. B, false. Correct answer is A, true. Number 11. The cooling tower's freshwater makeup system uses a float assembly that is connected to the water blank. A, return. B, supply. Correct answer is B, supply. Number 12. If a natural draft cooling tower is located in a poor location where the wind or breeze is obstructed, the head pressure will be blank. A, lower. B, higher. C, normal or not affected. Correct answer is B, higher. Number 13. In the winter, antifreeze is added and heat is applied to the water in the tower basin to prevent the water from freezing. A, true. B, false. Correct answer is A, true. An example of heat applied is an electric heater to heat the water in the tower basin. Number 14. Last question. Number 14. A water regulating valve is installed in the cooling tower to prevent the head pressure from blank when the water gets cold in the winter. A, rising. B, falling. Correct answer is B, falling. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.